Hi everybody, you're very welcome back to our YouTube channel. Merry Christmas everybody. Today I'm really delighted to share with you my Christmas table setting for this year. As a base I've used a beautiful handmade cotton table runner in a deep burgundy red that will set up against the green and will darken it all. As in the Christmas time you want a kind of a darker base because you're going to use lights, candle lights, fairy lights, so they will set up better against a dark table. And then especially if you have a white table like myself, you need to base it off with something dark. Be it green, be it a table runner, natural greenery, moss or anything like that. I've gone for a very natural feel with natural branches and moss in the traditional red and green colours with some touches of gold and some lights. For those of you who saw the previous video of the Halloween table, I've used a similar theme and built up from that. I've used again the beautiful pine branches that I varnished. This time I've added on some beautiful moss balls to get a higher structure and get a bit of volume on it. Obviously the red candles make it really Christmassy. This time I've used also lots of natural cones, natural hypericum berries, glass Christmas baubles. The only baubles I ever use is glass because I think it makes such a difference. They are that little bit more expensive, but they're hand blown and you can see the difference in the end result. And then all we need is a nice glass of wine to toast to the Christmas. Thank you very much for watching and a happy Christmas.